Hi everyone. Now I'm going to talk about the operation. The operation here can do adds and subtracts or build up string from short strings. And here we can see we have a bidirectional slider here, and I'm going to add the low value and the high value. First, we need to define a variable. Here I already defined an integer variable. And now let's back to the UI events to program for the slider. Here I already had a changed event. And I click here to add actions. Here I need to set variable first. We set int1 equals to the UI data, the low value. And then we add a new line to add new actions. Here we choose operation. The variable we select int1, and here we can choose to do add or subtract. We choose to do add. And the input here we choose the high value. And this is for doing the add. And then we add a new line to print the int1. And now let's upload this project to the processor. And then we change the low value or the high value. Here we can see the result of the sum. And now I'm going to build up a string from short strings. Let's come to the text page. And here we can see there are two input boxes. And I'm going to define a new variable to put the text in the first input box in it. We click the plus icon to add a new line, and here we choose string. And now let's back to program the events. Here I already add a change event to the first input box. And click here to add actions. Here we choose set variable, and we select the one we defined, we created. And the input here we select UI data, the value. The value is the text in the input box. And for the second one, we choose operation. Here we choose the string we created. And here we can choose to clear it or append it. Here we choose append. And the input here we select the UI data value. This value is the second input box text. And then we print the string. Then we upload the project to check the result. In the first input box, I type hello. And in the second input box, I type the character A. You can see it prints the hello A. And that's all for the operation part.